consecutive numbers is 276. consecutive numbers बेसिकली क्या होते हैं, आगे पीछे आने वाले नंबर, लाइक 2 3 4. सही है. अब हमने यहाँ पे क्या करना है, बेसिकली हमने 3 consecutive numbers हैं हमारे पास और उनका सम क्या है 276 and we don't know the numbers. So let's suppose number 1, the first number is x, the second number is, we know that these are the consecutive numbers. तो for example x की वैल्यू हमारे पास है 2. ठीक है, तो x के बाद हमारे पास 2 के बाद कौन सा नंबर होता है 3. मीन्स आपने क्या करना है x प्लस 1, x में आप कोई भी एक नंबर ऐड करेंगे, देन आपके पास सेकेंड consecutive नंबर आएगा. ठीक है, फिर अगर आप देखें 3 के अंदर अगेन दिस इज x राइट, x की वैल्यू क्या है 2. अब 2 के अंदर पहले आपने 1 ऐड किया तो आपके पास आ गया 3. ठीक है, अब आप इस x के अंदर मीन्स 2 के अंदर आप 2 ऐड करते हैं, देन आपके पास क्या चीज़ आ जाएगी 4. तो दीज 3 आर द 4 consecutive numbers, बट इन दिस केस वी डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट consecutive numbers. तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये वाली जो वैल्यूज़ है इनको उठाएंगे. ठीक है, x हमें पता है कि x के अंदर आप एक नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो आपके पास सेकेंड नंबर आएगा, 2 ऐड करेंगे तो आपके पास थर्ड नंबर आएगा. ठीक है, नाउ फर्स्ट नंबर हमारे पास क्या है जी, x है. सेकेंड नंबर हमारे पास क्या आ गया x प्लस 1. थर्ड नंबर क्या आ जाएगा x प्लस 2. तो अब वो कह रहे हैं सम करना है आपने. ठीक है, द सम ऑफ द 3 consecutive numbers. नाउ दिस विल बिकम, आपके पास क्या चीज़ आ जाएगी x, आपने इन तीनों नंबर्स को ऐड करना है, x प्लस 1 प्लस x प्लस 2. तीनों को आपने क्या कर दिया, तीनों नंबर्स को ऐड कर दिए. ठीक है, और इनका सम किसके इक्वल है 276 के इक्वल है. नाउ अब आपने क्या करना है, ये ब्रैकेट्स को ओपन करना है. ठीक है, x इंटू एक्स प्लस 1 प्लस एक्स प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 276. लाइक टर्म्स को ऐड कर दें, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल x एंड x, इट विल बिकम 3x प्लस 1 प्लस 2 3 इक्वल टू 276. राइट, अब आपने क्या करना है 3x इज इक्वल्स टू, ये जो 3 है इसको आप राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट कर दें. ठीक है, दिस विल बिकम -3, 276 -3 इट विल बिकम 273. राइट, एंड 3x, 3 को दोनों साइड्स पे आप डिवाइड कर दें तो आपके पास x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 91. ठीक है, तो आपने देखिए 3 consecutive नंबर्स थे, तो फर्स्ट नंबर आपके पास आ गया 91. अब आपने सेकेंड नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है, तो x की वैल्यू आपके पास आ गई 91. ठीक है, आपके पास x की वैल्यू here, look here, x की वैल्यू आपके पास आ गई है 91. अब आपने सेकेंड नंबर निकालना है विच इज़ 91 प्लस 1 इक्वल टू 92 एंड दिस विल बिकम 91 प्लस 2 इक्वल टू 93. तो 3 consecutive नंबर्स आपके पास आए हैं 91, 92 and 93. You can write in the results that the 3 numbers 91, 92 and 93 are the 3 consecutive numbers and their sum is 276. 57 आपके पास जो फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर आ जाएगा वो आ जाएगा 57. ओके, सेकेंड आपके पास टर्म है x प्लस 2. तो x प्लस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 57. x की वैल्यू 57 है, प्लस 2 मीन्स 59. राइट, देन x प्लस 4, तो 57 plus 4 is equals to 61. So 59, 61 and 57 are the 3 consecutive odd. So this is basically question number 3 and the question says that the sum of the 3 consecutive odd numbers is 177. अब हमारे पास पहले जो हमने क्वेश्चन किया उसके अंदर सिंपल था कि the sum of the 3 consecutive numbers are the 4 consecutive numbers, but here specifically mentioned that the sum of the 3 consecutive odd numbers, for example, and we don't know the odd numbers, so we take, let's suppose the first odd number is x, right, तो इसको हम ले लेते हैं for example 3 के इक्वल है. ठीक है, x इक्वल टू 3. तो अब 3 के बाद जो consecutive odd number है वो है 5. so x प्लस 2 करेंगे फॉर मीन्स 3 प्लस 2 क्या बन जाएगा हमारे पास 5. राइट, अब हमने क्या करना है, उसके बाद जो थर्ड consecutive नंबर है उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे x प्लस 4. मीन्स यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू आपके पास है 3 प्लस 4 आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे 3 प्लस 4 7. सो दीज आर द 3 consecutive नंबर्स. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि हमारे पास तीनों ऑड नंबर्स consecutive ऑड नंबर्स क्या हैं. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हम क्या करते हैं, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल हमारे पास जो फर्स्ट ऑड नंबर है दैट इज़ एक्स, राइट। उसके बाद सम सेकेंड ऑड नंबर हम ले लेते हैं एक्स प्लस टू, प्लस थर्ड हम ले लेते हैं एक्स प्लस फोर। इनका जो सम है वो इक्वल है 177 के। तो एक्स प्लस टू प्लस एक्स प्लस फोर इक्वल्स टू 177। तो अब आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे सिंपल एक्स एक्स वाली टर्म्स को ऐड करना है। दिस विल बिकम 3x प्लस फोर प्लस टू 6 इक्वल्स टू 177। 3x is equals to 177 minus 6. Number 2, exercise 17. In this question, the sum of the four consecutive numbers is 90, and we know that the first number is x, and we don't know the value of x. The second number is x plus 1, x plus 2, and the fourth number is x plus 3. We are going to do, we are going to simply add these consecutive numbers. So x plus 1, x plus 2, and x plus 3, and their sum is equals to 90, right? So this will become, now add these, x 2x plus x 3x plus x 4x. This will become what? This will become 4x plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, right, equal to 90. 4x equals to 90 minus 6, 4x equals to, यहाँ पे ये 6 प्लस हो रहा है, आप जब इसको राइट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट करेंगे दिस विल बिकम माइनस 6. 90 minus 6 84. So divide 4 on both side. X is equals to what? X is equals to, for 1 is 4, for 2s are 8, and for 1 is 4. तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 21, राइट। अब यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो x की वैल्यू आई है वो आई है 21. Second consecutive number will become 21 plus 1 equals to 22. Third will become 22 plus 2, which will become 21 plus 2 23, and 21 plus 3 equals to 24. So these four are the four consecutive numbers, and you can verify these numbers by adding these numbers, and if their sum is equals to 90, your answer will be verified that the sum of the four consecutive number is 90, and the four consecutive numbers are 21, 22, 23, and 24. Question number 4, and in this question, this is exactly same as question number 1 and question number 2. In this question, it says find these three consecutive even numbers which add up to 1 5 2 4. For example, let's suppose the first consecutive number is x, right? The first consecutive number is what? X, and the second consecutive even number will become x plus 2. The third will become x plus 4, right? Here, for example, the first consecutive number is, even number is 2. If you add 2 and 8, it will become the second consecutive even number, and if you add 4 into, it will become the third consecutive even number. So we are using these three equations, x plus 2, and x plus 3, right? So here in this case, we are going to add these. The question is basically find these three consecutive even numbers which add up to, right? So we are going to add these numbers, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 equals to 1 5 2 4, right? So here x and x will become 3x plus 4 plus 2 6 is equals to 1 5 2 4. 3x is equals to 1 5 2 4 minus 6, and this will become 1 5 1 8, right? And 3x, divide 3 on both sides, x is equals to 506, right? So the first consecutive even number is 506. Just add, so here x, the value of x is 506, add plus 2, this will become 508, and add 4, it will become 600, right? So you can verify these by adding 506, 508, and 600. The answer will definitely equal to 1524. question number 5, and this question says that when the number is doubled and then added to 13, the result is 38. Basically, we don't know the number, so let's suppose the number is x, right? X, and it is saying that the number is doubled, so double the x and then add 13 and the result will be equal to 38, right? We have made an equation from the given statement. So here 2x is equals to 38 minus 13. It's plus 13. When you move it towards the right hand side, it will become minus 13. So 2x is equals to 38 minus 13. It will become 25. So divide 2 on both sides. It will become x is equals to 25 divided by 2. This is basically question number 6, and in this question it says that when a number is doubled and then added to 24, the result is, sorry, it's 49 here, 49. Okay, so find the number. Basically from the statement, it's when a number is doubled and we don't know the number, so let's suppose the number is what, x, and when you double the number and then add 24 in it, the result will be equal to 49. I have just made the equation from the given statement, right? 2x is equals to 49 minus 24. It's plus 24 here. When you move it to the right hand side, it will become minus 24. 2x is equal to 49 minus 24. It will become 25. Divide 2 on both sides because we have to find the value of x. X will be equal to 25 divided by 2. This is my answer. This is question number 7, and the question says that when 7 is subtracted from 3 times a certain number, the result is 28. What is the number? So basically in this question we don't know exact the number, so let's suppose the number is x, and when 7 is subtracted from 3 times a certain number, so it's 3 times a certain number means 3x, and 7 is subtracted from it and the result will be equal to 28. So this is the equation that we have made from the given statement. So 3x is equals to 28 plus 7, right? It's minus 7 here. When you move it towards the right hand side, it will become plus 7. This will become 3x is equals to 35. 28 plus 7 equals to 35. Divide 3 on both sides because we have to find the value of x. So it will become x is equals to 35 divided by 3. Question number 9, and the question says that the two numbers are in the ratio of 1:11 and their sum is 15. So basically we know that the two numbers are in the ratio of 1:11, which means that x, for example, the first number is x and the second number is also x, but they are in the ratio of 1:11, right? First number will become 1x and the second number will become 11x, and their sum is equals to 15, right? This will become 12x is equals to 15 and x is equals to 15 divided by 12. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. So the value of x will become 5/4. And we have to find the value of the second number, which is in the ratio 11, and we have to find the value of 11x. It will become, multiply 11 on both sides simply. So it will become 11 into 5/4, which will be 55/4, 11x. So the two numbers are 5/4 and 55 divided by 4. This is basically question number 8, and in this question the sum of the two numbers is 50 and we don't know the number, so the two numbers are x and y, x and y, right? So their sum is equals to 50. Their sum is equals to what? 50. The second number is 5 times the first. The second number means this is equals to 5 times of y. This is the first number, this is the second number, and the question says find the numbers. We have to find the value of x and the value of y. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. 2, right? अब हमने क्या करना है, we have to simply put the value of x in equation number 1. The value of x is 5y plus y equals to 50. This will become 6y equals to 50. Y is equals to 50 divided by 6, and by the table of 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 25 times is 50. So value of y will become 25 divided by 3. Now we have to find the value of x, and we know that the value of y is 25 divided by 3. The value of y is 25 divided by 3. Simply put the value of y in this equation. In this equation number 2. X is equals to 5 into 50, 25 divided by 3. X is equals to 25 multiply with 5 is 125 divided by 3. This is the value of x. This is question number 10, and the question says that the length of the rectangle is twice the width, right? So we are going to make the equation from the given statement. Length is equals to twice the width. L represents the length and W represents the width. If the perimeter is 20, perimeter is equals to 20, find the width. We have to find the value of the width. So first of all, we know that the formula for the perimeter is 2 into L plus W, which means 2 times the sum of the length and width. So I know that the perimeter is 20 centimeter, right? And it's equals to 2, and the length, value of the length is 2W. 2W plus W, right? 20 equals to 2 and 3W, which will become 6W is equals to 20. W means width, right? So 20 divided by 6 is equals to 20 divided by 6 is equals to W, right? And it will become 10 divided by 3 centimeter. So the value of the width is 10 by 3 centimeter.